Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter. We are teaching you guys how to make money. Welcome. Today's video we are still on Catly.io. I'm going to show you the newest method on how to make money using Catly.io. If this is the first time of visiting this channel, the only thing you need to do is just to smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. If you are new in crypto and you don't know what this Catly is all about, you need to come and watch this video. Okay, this video, let me show you very well. You need to come and watch this particular video. Come and watch this video. Very important, so that you will understand what Catly is all about and how you can make or maximize your profit, okay, using crypto. There's a lot of way to earn money using this Carly Airdrop. The reason why I say that this is the new way of making money with Catly Airdrop, I'm going to show you right now. So if you have registered and watched this video, this particular video, then you can then participate on this our new way to make money with this airdrop. Okay, so a lot of people have been talking about Catly.io, and I don't know the reason why some people are not taking this advantage to make a lot of money. I don't know why. If you have typed that are not taking advantage of this Catly.io, you are missing a lot. Come, let me show you. So what you are going to do right now is, once you are here, click on that
Hey guys, what's up?
video. Okay, once you click on the video, you will see link to register on Catly if you haven't done that. If you have done that, still click on the link so that we are going there together. So once you click on the link in the description that I will post in this video, once you click on that, it will take you to this Catly.io website. So once you are here, you log in. Let's log in. Let's log in. So you can check my balance here. I have 18,108.67. Okay? 18,108.67. So that's what I have here. And if I click here to check the amount in USDT, I click here and you can see that I have 72.43. Okay, this is the amount that I made in not just quite while, and I have been withdrawing from this account. Okay, so I want you to do the same thing. The reason why I call this method new method of making money is because a lot of people are not taking advantage of this website. Some depend on the free 500 Catly that you will be getting once you signed into this website. But let me clear you. What I want to tell you is that if you really want to make money with Catly, especially now, what you are going to do is to invest. Okay, the method of doing this investment is, once you invest, stake it for 15 days, and once 15 days elapse, what you are going to do is take your capital and then invest your profit. I said take your capital and then invest your profit. If you notice here, you will see the daily return that I have been getting here. That's 501. Okay, 501.660. You can see it here. This is the daily return that I have here. So you can notice that I have 206. Okay, this is referral. So I want you to take this business serious. That's the topic of today. Take this business serious, whether it's fake, whether it's real, whether you don't believe on this, whether you believe on this. Okay, the best way of making money in life is believing in what you are doing. Once you love what you are doing, you are going to make a lot of money with it. Okay, but some people don't believe in what they are doing. That's why they don't go where they wanted to go. So I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is that once I see something that is working for me, I'll come and tell you. So after telling you, you are the one to take decision whether to follow my step or you can adjust. Okay, so watch me from the beginning to this end of this video so that I will share you more things that you need to know concerning this airdrop. Okay, so what we are talking about today is all about investing. Okay, if you notice, if you know any amount that you can invest it now. You are going to enjoy this website. Okay, because the reason why I'm saying this is that this token is still new. Even if this token is just fake or is not real, at least a lot of token or a lot of investment platform, some of them don't give you what these websites are giving you right now. Okay, 3% every day. So I want you to make or take this opportunity very serious. Take this opportunity very serious. So I'm going to add more $100 or one. In fact, I'm going to add all the money I have in my Bybit. Okay, I'm going to add all the money that I have in Bybit here, because I have been making money with this website, and I believe that this website will last. And another thing is that we are going to make a lot of money with this website if you are not making it already. So if you have $1, add $2. If you have $3, add $4. If you have 10, add 20. Okay, and once, what you are going to do for me, if you want to make a lot of money in this website, is very simple. Share this video to your friends. Share this particular video to your friends and encourage them to register using your own personal affiliate link. Okay, referral link. Ask them to use yours to register. Their own is just to come here to gather more knowledge on how it works. Then they can go and register with your link. Okay, so let's go. Let me add more extra $100 plus so that we can make this money together. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. This is real good update on how to make it big. Okay, so let's go. I'll click on this buy. Okay, remember that Catly pre-sale is 0.004. You click on buy. So once you click on buy, you will come here and read everything here. 1 USDT equals to 250 Catly. That's 1 USDT. And the purchase limit is, the minimum is 1 USDT, while maximum is 10,000. Okay, so how to buy Catly pre-sale. Okay, you can see it here, how to buy Catly pre-sale. Then this place is the USDT address. You can see it. This is the 20 smart chain. What you are going to do here is to click on this copy it. Please, if this is the first time of watching this video, I want you to go and watch that first video so that you will understand. And after watching it, make sure that you claim your 500 Catly. And after claiming your 500 Catly, another thing you can do to help your pocket is to invest. Okay, $5, $10, $20, $30 is a lot of money when you stake it till 15 days, and you will unstake it. You can sell it if you want, or you can restake it again. Okay, so that's how this website works. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on this copy. After copying, here is the support line. If you want to chat with the robots or admin there, you can click on this. Then this is everything about this. So what I'm going to do, this is people that bought it. This is people that purchased this Catly. I think it's 1700. Okay, this is the date they are purchasing it, for you to know that if it's not working, people will not invest here. So because it's working, that's why a lot of people keep investing. So let's go. Let me show you more. Once you copy this, you go to your any exchange you want to deposit from. Let me say I'm using Bybit. I click on Bybit. Allow it to load. So we are here in our Bybit. What I'm going to do right now is to log in. So I'm in now. I'm going to click on this asset here. So once I click on assets, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this withdraw. I click on withdraw. So you can see I have 103 on this So I click on 103. So here is where I'll post the address. So I paste it here. So after pasting it here, I select the network. This is BEP20. Always remember BEP20. You click on BEP20. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click the amount that I want to withdraw. The withdrawal minimum amount is 10 USDT in this particular exchange. So I will come to this place, the amount that I want to withdraw. I'll click on withdraw all here. So you can see here that I want to withdraw 103. Okay, that's 103. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to cross check to know whether I made any mistake. Here you can see funding wallet or spot wallet. So it depends on where you have your own coin. So if you have it in funding wallet, you can use it. If you have it in your spot wallet, you can use it. Anyone you have your coin. So I click on withdraw. So here you can cross check it again and click on no verification needed if you want. So I'll paste the link gotten from my email. So let me go and get the, okay, I got the code now. So let me paste the code. It's 1231. So let me get our authenticator. So you can see here, withdrawing application submitted and process. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on view withdrawal history. I can refresh it. Withdrawal in progress, that's 103. So I'll keep refreshing it. It doesn't take time to reflect on Catly.io. It doesn't take time. Okay, sent. So what I'm going to do right now is to go to, so you can see our balance. Can you see our balance here? So let's go. Let me show you how to add that old one. So let me show you how to add new one. So what you're going to do here is to click on this payment confirm. You click on payment confirm, then you can see it here. Can you see that here? 25787. You click on this. This is the 103 worth of Catly here. I click on OK. So this is it. So the next thing we are going to do here, go to this place, stake. I click on stake. You can see how many I have here. Can you see that? So what I'm going to do right now is to stake this. So let me check how much that I will get in 15 days. I click. So if I'm to stake this one, so what I'm going to do in order to know how much that I will get in 15 days, I'm going to click on this place and add 26, 6, 7, 3. Okay, that's that. I click on this place. So this is the amount that I'll get in 15 days. I was taking this amount. This is it. Can you see that? Total reward. So if I click on this stake here, I'll stake it. That's 26673. If I add points, this will not add, but let me just add it points 670. So if I click on stake here, stake successful. So you can notice that I'm going to be getting 1301 here. This is the daily reward that I'll be getting here till 15 days. I'll be getting this till 15 days. So if I click on this place again, this balance, that's 43,895. Okay, if I check here, you will notice that I have 175.58 here. Okay, 175.58. That's what I have here, and the available balance here is 0.670. So this is the amount that I staked. Okay, this is the airdrop that I got at initial. So this is the place that I will sell it as app if I want to sell. Like if the stake is over, I can come here to enter the amount and sell it off. Very simple. Once I enter the amount here, I'll sell it off. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? And the buyback price is 300 Catly here. That's where they make their own money. They buy back 300, they sell 250, then they buy 300 per dollar. So that's how they make their own money. And these people are very genuine. They know how to do business. So you can take risk like me. Okay, you can take risk like me and you make money. Because making money in this life is all about taking risk. Even life itself is risk. If you can't take risk, you will remain where you are. So what is keeping you from practicing what I'm just showed you how to do? It's very simple. That money that you're saving in bank, you can, get like 3, 4, 5% of it and invest it. Okay, it's not much that you invest it here, but you can invest more money to make more money. That's it. So if you like what I showed you here, you can smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video, comment. Then use the link in the description to visit our Telegram group where I share updates on what is happening, how you can make your daily income online. Okay, so if you like what I'm doing here, do what I ask you to do. It's very simple. So always make sure you use the link in the description to register, and registration is free. You get 500 Catly and you can stake it. If you have more money, you invest it to make more money. So I'm going to see you in the next video where I'll show you my results. Okay, I'm going to see you in the next video. I'll show you my results and a lot more to share you here. A lot more to share with you here. Okay, there's another secret that I'm going to reveal to you in the next video. That secret is in the next video. Make sure you check my video every day. So thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. If you have any question, I'm here 24/7 to answer you. Take care of yourself. See you at the top. Bye bye.